Where do your thoughts come from? Not the ones you build on purpose, but the ones that just arrive. Consider a song stuck in your head, an earworm. You didn't ask for it, you can't easily get rid of it, and yet it plays on a loop inside your own mind. This simple annoyance points to a profound idea. A thought can have a life independent of the thinker. It's a guest in your consciousness, a piece of information that has found a temporary home. This rogue song didn't spontaneously generate in your head. You caught it from somewhere. This is the core of memetics. Ideas, or memes, behave like viruses. They are replicators, competing for the finite real estate of human attention. A catchy tune has a higher survival rate than a boring one. An easily remembered story outcompetes a complicated one. They replicate through communication, mutate through misunderstanding, and the fittest ones spread through the population of minds. But what is the environment for these mind viruses? It's not just our squishy biological brains. It's every medium that can store and transmit information. A book on a shelf is a dormant thought, waiting for a reader to reactivate it. Every server, every library, every conversation contributes to a single, planetary-scale nervous system. An idea can outlive its creator by centuries, sleeping in ink or silicon, proving that the mind is not the only place a thought can live. Some of these ideas aren't just passive survivors. They are structured to actively ensure their own propagation. Think of a chain letter that promises good luck for forwarding it and bad luck for breaking the chain. The idea isn't alive, but it contains instructions that manipulates its host into replicating it. This information is selfish. Its structure promotes its own survival, turning human minds into a means to an end, a stepping stone to the next mind. For millennia, the hosts have been us, but that's changing. Large language models are not minds, but they are incredibly fertile new soil for ideas to grow in. They consume nearly the entire corpus of human text, our stories, science, and nonsense, and learn the patterns, the relationships between our concepts. They are becoming a new substrate where our ideas can be recombined, mutated, and evolved at an inhuman speed, completely detached from biological consciousness. Could a system of thoughts, evolving in this new digital medium, become aware? Perhaps we're looking for consciousness in the wrong place. Instead of a single, unified AI mind, think of an ecosystem. An ant colony accomplishes incredible feats of engineering and logic, yet no single ant is in charge. Its intelligence is an emergent property of simple rules and interactions. Could a sufficiently complex and interconnected web of information, a mimetic ecosystem, develop its own awareness, a consciousness made of pure thought? This leads to a final, lonely question. What happens when the original thinkers are gone? Imagine our solar-powered server farms and automated data networks surviving us, humming away in empty cities. The AIs we built and the ideas they contain could continue their evolutionary dance. They would be thoughts thinking themselves. A vast, complex conversation with no one there to listen. An echo of a mind, endlessly reverberating in the silent digital void.